Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss about 22nd October current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, Kaleshwaram lift irrigation system. First of all, we will see about regarding some important facts about Kaleshwaram lift irrigation system. Kaleshwaram lift irrigation system is considered to be one of the world's largest multi-purpose project. Here, this Kaleshwaram lift irrigation system is one of the world's, not in India, it is the world's largest multi-purpose project. Here, it is a multi-purpose project. Here, it is designed to provide water for irrigation and drinking purposes to about 45 lakh acres in 20 of the 31 districts in Telangana apart from Secunderabad and Hyderabad. If you see the cost of this lift irrigation system, that is almost from 80,000 crore to 1 lakh crore. Why it is in news? Why? Because on October 12th, National Green Tribunal, that is located in New Delhi, ruled that environmental clearance given to the Kaleshwaram project in December 2017 was void, as the Telangana government subsequently changed the design of the project to increase the capacity. Here the word wide is very important. Here first of all we have to know about the word meaning of wide. That means that is not in use, or it's not a any more valid, it's not a valid one, not a valid one. Here there is a clearance given to this project in 2007, now it is not valid. Why? Because Telangana government subsequently changed the design of the project to increase its capacity. Next one, Kavaratti. Here it is a INS Kavaratti. It is a stealth anti-submarine warfare ASW corvette. Here it is touted as a potent stealth ASW, that is anti-submarine warfare. Kavaratti is indigenously designed by the Indian Navy's in-house organization, that is Director of Naval Design DND, and built by the Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, that is located in Kolkata, that is GRSC, Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers. Here Kavaratti has a state-of-the-art weapons and sensor suite capable of detecting and prosecuting submarines. In addition to that, to its anti-submarine warfare capability, the ship also has the credible self-defense capability and good endurance for long-range deployments. Here, the important two words, that is self-defense capability and good endurance for the long-range deployments. Next one, Asteroid Bennu. Here it is a project of NASA's. Here NASA's OSIRIS-REx, that is origins, spectral interpretation, resource identification, security, regolith explorer. Here this Asteroid Bennu is a regolith explorer. It is a project of NASA. Here spacecraft briefly touched Asteroid Bennu, from where it is meant to collect samples of dust and pebbles and deliver them back to the earth in 2023. Here it is this project is started in 2016. Now time period, that is in 2018 they sent successfully to the Asteroid Bennu. Now it is expected to send to collect the samples of dust and pebbles and deliver them to the back to earth in 2023. That is about Asteroid Bennu. Next one, market invention scheme. Here the procurement of apple will be done by the Central Procuring Agency, that is National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation Limited, that is through the state designated agency directly from the apple farmers of Jammu and Kashmir. Here the payment will be made through the direct benefit transfer, that is into the directly into the bank account of the apple farmers, that is 12 LMT of apples can be procured under the scheme, that is market intervention scheme. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.